How to fix your ING Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your ING Bank's login problem. So, if you are not being able to log into your ING Bank account and are encountering some kind of problem, in this video we'll discuss a few major problems and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you have to do is make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or a data connection, as ING Bank application is one that requires a stable internet connection to work. So if you do not have a stable internet connection, the app will simply not work. Second, make sure the ING Bank servers are up and running. So you can do this by simply going to this website right over here and check if the ING Bank services are up or not. Third, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as sometimes if your app is not updated, some of the recent new fixes and features will not work, resulting in your app to not log into your account. Third one is make sure you are entering the correct username, client ID or your password. Now if you're not entering your correct credentials, you will not be able to log in. And if you forgot either your client ID or your password, you can simply reset it by tapping this option right over here. After that, going through the process. The next thing you can do is basically try to clear the cache from your phone off the app. Now doing this sometimes will cause the problem to be fixed. Now the next thing you can do is basically try to restart your entire device. Sometimes the app may be glitching on its own, causing your login problem. Now once you've done all of those and your app is still not being able to log in, you can basically contact the ING Bank support and simply talk to them. So that is basically how you fix your ING Bank login problem. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.